short and sweet. Hi folks, I've composed a lot of music for public radio in Germany. In radio plays you often need sound effects and it's all lovely. It's a lovely job. My main music production tool is Cubase. We can use it for non-musical purposes as well, of course. I'm using modulators for this purpose. Modulators were introduced in Cubase 14. Let me start with spoken word. It's on track 1.
Surgeon, and your proper place is here on the 3rd floor. You'd be an academician by now, but you spend your time thinking about...
I recorded this back in 1988 on a boat from South Japan to South Korea. It really doesn't matter. It's the BBC World Service on long wave.
That makes me crabby.
I'll stay on duty. I'm not too tired.
No, I don't know. I'll manage. You go and rest.
If you want to follow along, use any kind of spoken word.
There's one more item for today. The investigator is coming at 12.
Now let me solo track 2. It's the same recording but sliced into pieces.
You're a wonderful surgeon, and your proper...
And I've used the step modulator for this cutting effect.
But you spend your time...
It modulates the volume of the audio.
Oh, I'm tired. That makes me crabby.
I'll stay on duty. I'm not too tired.
I don't know. I'll manage. Well,
The 4th track contains the same audio, which I moved a little bit to the right. Track 4 has 2 modulators working on the audio. See the note knob on the step modulator side? It's very nervous. It cuts the audio differently depending on its value. And the value of the knob is being dictated by the 2nd modulator. This introduces a high dose of irregularity into the piece. Track 3 is more straightforward. Again, a step modulator at work, cutting the audio into pieces, synced with the timing of the piece, in my case 120 beats per minute. Now let's listen to the 3 modulated audio tracks all together.
you're a wonderful surgeon. Your proper place is here on the 3rd floor. You're an academician by now, but you place this time thinking about how to keep the men in the ministry happy instead of concentrating on thinking about how to keep the men...
I thought they need some reverb, and here it is.
Your
The reverb in this piece needs some extra treatment, but this is not the purpose of this tutorial. I use a group for just the cut audio so that the reverb does not affect the other tracks. Other tracks, well, drums, brass, piano.
Your proper
Have a nice day.
Rather